Hey, welcome to Policy Keeper. So you missed your car insurance renewal date. Or maybe you're about to. Don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Let's talk about what really happens when your insurance lapses and how to fix it fast. First, the moment your policy expires, you're driving without valid insurance. That means if you get into an accident, you're personally responsible for all damages to your car, other vehicles, property, and medical bills. No insurance company will cover you. You're also breaking the law. In India, driving without at least third-party insurance is illegal. You could face fines, your vehicle could be impounded, and you might even lose your license. Plus, if you have a loan on your car, the bank will be notified and that can cause serious issues. Now, here's the good news. You can fix this. Step 1. Stop driving immediately until you have coverage again. Step 2. Contact your insurer or a broker like us right away. You'll need to apply for reinstatement. This usually involves filling out a form, paying the premium, and possibly a small penalty fee. Sometimes, the insurer might require a fresh inspection of your vehicle to check for any damages that occurred during the lapse. The process can take a few hours to a couple of days, so act fast. If you wait too long, you might face higher premiums or even get denied coverage. Also, a lapse in your insurance history can affect your future rates. Insurers see it as a risk, so get it sorted as soon as possible. To avoid this in the future, set reminders for your renewal date, opt for auto-debit payments, or consider a longer-term policy. Remember, insurance isn't just a legal requirement, it's your financial safety net. Let me give you a quick example. Rohan, a car owner from Delhi, forgot to renew his insurance. He drove for 2 weeks without it, and then had a minor scrape. He had to pay 15,000 rupees out of pocket for repairs because he had no coverage. He reinstated his policy immediately after, but that expense could have been avoided, so don't let that happen to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. Subscribe to Policy Keeper for more tips on keeping your vehicle protected. Comment below, what's the biggest lesson you've learned about car insurance? And for a free, no-obligation quote, visit policykeeper.in. Stay safe on the roads.